Have you hit a plateau or a barrier in your business growth? Maybe you're really pushing to try and push to a next level, but you just can't get past a certain turnover or revenue point. Well, hopefully this video will help you with this, because I just want to quickly show you my screen here. After analysing many businesses, I know exactly where these growth barriers and pain points are. The first phase I often see people struggle to break through is the phase where they're on the tools. Now, at this phase in business, you can usually create a company that's somewhere between 250 and 400,000 pounds if you're on the tools, but at some point you will hit a barrier to growth, and you won't be able to break through that barrier until you make the firm decision that you've got to come off the tools. Once you come off the tools, you can move into the next level, which is what I call mastermind. Here is where I'm helping businesses create something between £1 and £5 million turnover. But all the strategies and tactics that we'll teach you in mastermind, you will hit a barrier again. Once you start getting to about £5 million, you will hit a barrier, and you'll have to change your tactics again, because now you're becoming a more sophisticated company. After that, we talk about boardroom. So in boardroom, you're a CEO of a business. You'll potentially have underneath you a sales director, operations director, marketing director, and businesses like that will easily be 5 million plus, let's say 5 to 10 million pounds. And as a CEO of a business, that's actually a really good point where you could exit the company if you wanted to. So what you just need to bear in mind in your ascension model is that you are going to face barriers as you grow, and you've got to have a clear plan of action of how you're going to break through those barriers, and we can help you in Mastermind to do that.